finally, so, hi guys. For some work, it's gonna be 2 day trips. I have some shoot for 2 of my clients. So I'm getting deja vu. As I told you that last September I was also, I was here in Bombay again for some work, and I went to the same washroom. Can you imagine? That's the outfit. So I told that. इसके बाद बैगेज कलेक्ट करने जाना है. Sad part about work trip when you are an entrepreneur that you have to do all the budgeting, all the expense on your own. Like there's no one paying for it. I mean, yeah, we do get from clients, but it's not that as luxurious as. I mean, the feeling is not that luxurious. Of course, I've booked like a very 5-star property, which is in Grand Hyatt in Santa Cruz. But the feeling is not luxurious because I'm splurging it from my own pocket. So, just landed in Bombay. We're on our way to the hotel, which is Grand Hyatt in Santa Cruz. And then we're gonna go to, of course, when you're in Bombay, so you have to. So I was just mimicking one of our contemporary in the industry. She always, emphasizes on you have to. So I was just mimicking her, never mind. So we are after just gonna check in. उसके बाद हम लोग जाने वाले हैं सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल. Of course, अगर आप बॉम्बे में हो तो you have to go to Siddhi Vinayak, what I feel like. Uske baad we'll just go and chill in the hotel, do some swimming, do some content creation, and yeah, we need to shoot some A-rolls and B-rolls for our personal branding. Uske baad we're just gonna go for a good fancy brunch, then a dinner. Today our day is most likely sorted, and there's some 2-3 meetings that those are aligned with some architects and designers. And kal hamara like pura din shoot hone wala, and we'll be like fully busy. So yeah, I'll flip my camera and show you airport के around कैसा है बॉम्बे में. इस टाइम थोड़ा फैंसी लग रहा है, बट लास्ट टाइम जब मैं सितंबर में आया था तो आई लिटरली फेल्ट लाइक दैट आई स्टेप एयरपोर्ट से निकलते ही लाइक ऐसा लगा कि इट्स अ ब्रॉथल हाउस, इट्स अ ग्रेवयार्ड. सही में क्या बोल रहा सही में लाइक निकलते ही लगा कि ओके इट्स लाइक अ ब्रॉथल हाउस. पर अभी तो थोड़ा लग रहा है यार फैंसी. इट्स गिविंग थोड़ा हैदराबाद. तू गया हैदराबाद? मैं डिजाइन डेमोक्रेसी के लिए गया. हैदराबाद सिटी भाई बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मेरे को हैदराबाद. लाइक आफ्टर दिल्ली इफ आई सी माई सेल्फ relocating permanently, it's gonna be like not Bombay for sure, not Bangalore for sure, but yeah, so it's gonna be like Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, Bandra Hills, more elite areas. See, अच्छा लग रहा है बॉम्बे. like साफ सुथरा सा लग रहा है. like सितंबर में जब आया था भाई, seriously it was like a stinging. लैंड होते ऐसी मूथ सी की बांस आ रही है यहाँ पे because of this ocean and everything. I can smell. Actually, yaar. Just waiting for a room to check in. उसके बाद सीधा फ्रेश होके या फिर इन्हीं कपड़ों में we'll go to सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल. I'm super tired. So मेरी फ्लाइट आज ऑलमोस्ट छूटने वाली थी. दिस गाय कॉल्ड मी एट 5 और 5 बजे मेरे को एयरपोर्ट पे होना था और 5 बजे मैं घर से निकला हूँ. मेरी फ्लाइट थी अराउंड 6:30. लाइक इट्स बस मेरे को पता है हाउ आई हैव मैनेज है ना जय. I've almost like missed my flight. पता नहीं ये सुबह की और ये ना इतना लापरवाह में डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट्स में ही होता हूँ. लाइक इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स में आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम. लाइक maybe I'm not giving the importance to domestic flights, but I should, I guess. That's the hotel where we are staying. Now we are heading to Siddhivinayak.
Jumping on the bed. One fell down.
Check-in done. Going to Siddhivinayak with my friend Jaya. मैंने उसको बोला तू भी white t-shirt पहन, so he has changed the outfit because दो aesthetic लोग they have to synchronize together. अभी हमने इतना kick-ass photo shoot किया है, but he is not gonna send me those images. पता नहीं क्यों उसको क्या हो रहा है. So yeah, अभी हम जा रहे हैं सिद्धिविनायक. I'll show you Bombay, जो तुम्हें बहुत fascinating लगता है. But कुछ तो बात है. See, I'll be very honest. बात तो है बॉम्बे में, like कुछ तो है. कुछ तो है. In a positive way. कुछ तो है. I'll show you around.
ये तो डालेगा तो नहीं कहीं पे भी.
YouTube पे आएगा.
क्यों? चिकन के डाले जाते हैं.
ये काली पीली टैक्सी. सी ऐसा ग्रेवयार्ड जैसी बिल्डिंग होती है यहाँ पे कि अभी तुम्हारे सर के ऊपर गिर जाएगी. बम्बई 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 में दिल बस गई. Whatever the song is, I think I'm directing it now. भैया आप तो बहुत हैंडसम लग रहे हो यहाँ से. Look at the bus. Look at the traffic. पूरा यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है. I'm just waiting for my VIP darshan to get it done. It's so traffic. Like can you see? अबे भीड़ कितनी है देखो. Like we have taken the VIP darshan, so hence we are doing it. Done with the darshan. See, ये ऐसी बिल्डिंग्स है. Don't you think ऐसा लग रहा है like it's graveyard? Like अभी आपके सर के ऊपर गिर जाएगी ये बिल्डिंग आकर. So you know it's a brothel house, multi-story brothel house.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sorry. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं कुछ खाना खाने. Yes. I'm in my, what do we call them? ये Birkins, Mools. I'm in my Mools. ये मेरे को आज पता चला है कि इनको Mools बोलते हैं. तब से मैं इनको Birkenstock ही बोल रहा था. Like adult money guys, adult money guys. मेरी हमने मेरे भी खाना खाया है. Eat Green करके. जब मैं सितंबर में आया था तो I was staying here in Trident. हम दोनों प्लान कर रहे हैं यहाँ शिफ्ट होने का. इफ़ यू हैव एनी, एक कैमरा क्यों गंदा हो गया. लाइक या वी बोथ आर प्लानिंग टू शिफ्ट इन बॉम्बे फॉर अ वाइल, ऑफ कोर्स फॉर वर्क्स एंड ऑल. विल कीप यू पोस्टेड. रेट बॉम्बे, गुड़गांव, दिल्ली आउट ऑफ 10.
गुड़गांव 9 out of 10.
ओके
बॉम्बे 7.5.
ओके.
दिल्ली is 10 on 10 यार.
10 on 10. I think Gurgaon G Town is top notch. It's 10 on 10. 10 on 10. Like it's spacious.
Yeah, but rain में थोड़ा fuck up हो जाता है.
हाँ मतलब
9 out of 10.
बट बारिश बंद होने के बाद वो पानी चला भी जाता है. नेवर नो कहाँ जाता है. बट इट्स लाइक ओके. या टाटा वाला जाम मीटर वाले ऑटोज. बट स्टिल ही इज चार्जिंग 100 रुपीज. It's like very hot here in Bombay this season. Okay, so I'm all ready to go for spa. Like, look at my face, it's so exhausted. So I'll be taking a spa. I'm just gonna give you a tour of the space. That's how the space is. These all are the cabins. Can you see the shine? This is a new suit that I've bought. from Jack and John's, and I just got done with spa, hair spa, full body spa. It's more like an hammam, and yeah, so smelling very good, fresh, clean, hygienic, and I'm so happy. Like yeah, the experience was so good. So yeah, I'll get ready, do some content creation for my personal branding and for the shoot preparation, that what I'm here for. Fully decked up. We are on our way to Bastion. Juhu wala, yes. It's gonna be a
लैंडस्केप इतना गंदा लग रहा है ना, बहुत गंदा लग रहा है।
YouTube vlog है ना? We're going to Bastion. Show you, it's a new one. I really want you to go there. Abhi, if you are in Bombay, so it does make sense to explore a little bit. It's gonna be a dinner kind of thing. Uske baad, let's see what we'll do, what we'll go for. Yeah, I don't know if my voice is audible or not because यहाँ पे fountains चल रहे हैं. So that's our hotel. That's our hotel, Grand Hyatt Santa Cruz. It's nice. Like यहाँ का जो मौसम है, it's very very like Sri Lanka coded. वहाँ का भी मौसम ऐसा ही था. It's so hot. The minute you step out, you are drenched in sweat. So इतना hot है, and you know it's very humid as well. I'm a true Delhi hiding them because I'm not. एक दो दिन के लिए आया हूँ, काम है और content है, shoots है client के. So yes, this is our hotel. It's a very nice, like Trident से much better है. वो वर्ली है पूरा, वो सबसे महंगा एरिया ना, सी फेसिंग अपार्टमेंट्स वर्ली का. गाइस डॉक्टर जय मदान का भी घर उधर ही है, लाइक वर्ली साइड. हाँ guys, this is life, don't you think? Fancy view of Bombay from the window, comfiest bed, see, nice dim lights, just wow. I mean, money talks, dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you. I just gymmed, that's my outfit. Planning to go in the pool, but ये pool बहुत ज़्यादा deep नहीं है, so it doesn't make sense, like it's not that deep. Like the property is very amazing, like काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है property. वहाँ पे I was there yesterday. Now I'm gonna just go in the pool. Just got done with the second day spa. No, today I did sauna. Yesterday it was a steam, and today it was like a traditional sauna. where you pour the water on the rocks and it like affirmates, evaporates into clouds kind of structure.
It was any one of us to know this solely, this would not have been the answer. Like, this clarity, this judgment that we have had with our projects, the reception that we've got from the.
I am at Nilay Bombay and I'm just blown away after seeing the store, the concept that has been behind. Let me just flip my camera and show it to you. So that's the outfit so far. I just love my work. That's it I can say for now. Let me just flip my camera and show you. Look at the interiors. It's by Sabyasachi and Alliance Logi. The blue pottery, my favorite. Wow. See this corner. Imagine a house like this with similar corner and a throne, and where you just need a 4-poster bed. Oh my god. The wallpapers. Oh my god, just look at the paintings, look at the artwork. Speaks of generational wealth. So far my business is giving me a fancy lifestyle, but what I'm looking for is generational wealth. है ना, ऐसा क्यों, क्या हो जाता है बीच एरिया पे इतना अच्छा सनसेट कैसे होता है? हैं?
भाई देख ले कितना सुंदर लग रहा है.
Where's the sun? There you go, there you go. मेरे laptop is.
टेंशन मत ले.
I'm gonna take you to the best place in town. So I'm in Juhu, and we, as requested, we are going to Soho. I'll just see. Oh,
Sorry sir.
like just see the vibe. Just see. It's one of the most expensive area here in Bombay, and yeah. Like last time मैं आया था जब G-Wagon खड़ी थी, and as you can also see यहाँ भी like back to back malls. वो G-Wagon ही खड़ी है क्या आज भी?
नहीं
G-Wagon है क्या? हाँ इधर से. Ta-da! Like we'll be going over. I'll just take a quick tour of the space. Oh my god, just see it. Don't you think this is what eliteness looks like? That's the scene here.
ये वाली देखियो. ये वाली देख.
Sure.
जिस देखियो.
Looks like Sanchit Arora's photo shoot. You'll send me, na? These are my
ये ले
B-rolls.
तेरी वीडियो भी देख ले. ये ले. ये देख अच्छे देख. ये देखो सबसे अच्छा शॉट है ब्रो.
It's giving very Goa. Okay guys, this is the end of the trip. I'm heading to hotel to pick my stuff. Then I'll be going to airport, and that's
Very night
the
bit
night. Bye. So that's so cool. So